Hey, I'm Papurr, and for the past 5 years, I've been mastering the art of credit and travel hacking. And in that time, I've helped over 4,400 people repair and rebuild their credit, as well as teach them how to maximize rewards to travel first class and stay in 5-star hotels for absolutely free. Now, the American Express Platinum isn't just a credit card, it's a VIP pass to travel perks, luxury benefits, and serious savings. But here's the thing, most people don't use all the perks and end up wasting hundreds or even thousands of dollars in value with a $695 annual fee. You need to know how to squeeze every possible benefit out of this card to make it worth it. In this video, I'll show you 9 things you must do to maximize the value of your American Express Platinum card. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn this high fee card into a money-making machine. So let's jump right into it. So the first thing is that every single calendar year, American Express gives you $200 in airline fee credit for one selected airline. This covers checked baggage fees, seat selection fees, in-flight food and drinks, change fees, airport lounge day passes, and this is for the airlines that actually offer them. And an important thing to take into account is that this credit does not cover actual airfare purchases. You can't just buy a ticket and get $200 off. So how can you use it properly? First, select your airline. You must choose one eligible airline through American Express before making a purchase. You can only change it once per year. If you fly often, pick an airline where you'll actually use baggage or seat fees. Pro tip, some airlines let you buy small denomination gift cards like $50 each, which may trigger the credit. This changes often, so check forums or check Credit Club for the latest tricks. You can potentially save $200 a year by just doing this one thing with your Platinum card. The second thing is taking full advantage of the $200 Uber credit. Every single year, American Express Platinum automatically deposits $200 in Uber cash into your account. This is split into $15 per month, except in December where you get $35 instead of $15. So how do you use this properly? You need to link your American Express Platinum to your Uber account so you can get the credits automatically. And if you don't take Uber rides often, use the credit for Uber Eats. And a pro tip from me to you is order food ahead of time and schedule delivery for later. This ensures you don't let the credit go to waste. And the potential savings of doing this with your Platinum card is another $200 a year. Now, the third thing we're going to talk about is maxing out the $240 digital entertainment credit. American Express gives you $20 a month to use on select streaming services. Some of them include Hulu, Disney+, ESPN, Peacock, SiriusXM, the New York Times, and Audible. And how you can use this properly is that if you are already subscribed to any of these services, switch your payment method to your American Express Platinum so you get the credit automatically, and stack your discounts. If you have a bundle deal like Disney Plus with Hulu, you can still apply the credit. And a pro tip from me to you is if you don't use these services, sign up for one just to take full advantage of the credit, and you can potentially save $240 a year by just doing this one trick. Now, the fourth thing is get the $200 hotel credit for luxury stays. This credit is for fine hotels and resorts or the hotel collection when booked through the American Express portal. You get free breakfast for 2, $100 experience or dining credit, room upgrades when available, and late checkout. Now, to use this properly, you want to book a one-night stay at a luxury hotel to maximize value. If you're traveling for a weekend, consider staying at an FHR property for just the first night to get the perks and then switch to a cheaper hotel. A pro tip from me to you is even if you don't travel often, you can use this for a staycation at a nice hotel in your city with your girlfriend, missus, or family, and this will potentially save you an extra $200 a year. Now, the fifth thing we're going to talk about is taking advantage of the $100 Saks Fifth Avenue credit. $50 credit from January to June and another $50 from July to December. So how do you use this properly? You can buy small luxury items, gifts, or skincare products. If you don't shop at Saks, you can still use this credit for premium colognes, perfumes, or even home items. A pro tip from me to you is shop during sales to stretch your credit even further, and you could potentially save $100 a year by just doing this one trick. Now, the sixth hack is enrolling in the $100 global entry TSA pre-check credit. Get $100 for global entry or $85 for TSA pre-check every 4 years. Now, a pro tip, if you already have this, use the credit to pay for a friend or family member, and this can potentially save you an extra $25 a year since it only renews every 4 years. Now, the seventh tip is getting free access to airport lounges. American Express Centurion lounges are some of the best airport lounges in the whole entire world. Free gourmet food and cocktails. Priority Pass membership gives you access to 1,300 plus airport lounges worldwide. You also get access to Delta Sky Club access, which is free access whenever flying Delta. So how can you use this properly? You can bring 2 guests for free at any Centurion lounge. If your airport doesn't have a Centurion lounge, use your Priority Pass to access another lounge instead. Potential savings on this is literally hundreds per year if you travel often. Now, the penultimate tip I want to give you is earn 5x points on your flights. You can earn 5x membership rewards points per dollar spent on flights when booked through American Express Travel. So if you're booking a flight, always use American Express Travel instead of airlines' websites to get those extra points. And if you book flights frequently, this is one of the best ways to rack up a shit ton of points without spending a lot of money. And the potential value of this is literally thousands per year, depending on how often you travel. Now, the final tip I want to talk about is transfer points to airlines and hotel partners for a higher value redemption. Instead of using points directly through American Express Travel, transfer them to partnered airlines for even better rates. Best partners include your Delta Sky Miles, Air Canada's Aeroplan, British Airways' Avios, Marriott Bonvoy, and Hilton Honors. Potential value is up to 2x more when you transfer it wisely to the right partner. Now, to summarize this, the American Express Platinum is a game changer, but only if you take full advantage of these perks. A recap of the savings is that airline fee credits can get you $200, Uber credit can get you another $200, entertainment credit gets you $240, hotel credit gets you $200, Saks Fifth Avenue credit gives you $100, and the TSA pre-check and global entry gets you another $100 every 4 years. So drop a comment down below. What's your favorite American Express Platinum perk? And hit the like and subscribe for more credit card tips. Now go out there and start making the most out of your American Express Platinum. And as a bonus, if you've made it this far, I'm going to tell you that this is just the basics of how to maximize your American Express Platinum. And that's exactly why I have actually put together a completely free credit masterclass with over 2 hours of content showing you everything that you need to know to maximize your credit journey. So check the video where I show you what you'll learn, how to get access, and how to use the information inside to turn credit into free travel and a source of income.